Want to loop a clip in CapCut? Follow the on-screen captions and highlighted tabs. Closed captions are available. Open CapCut and start a new project, then import the clip you want to loop. Method 1. Duplicate the clip repeatedly to extend playback length. Long press the clip, tap duplicate, and repeat until your timeline reaches the desired length. Trim any extra frames, add a quick transition if needed, then tap export to save your looped video. That's the simplest way. Copy to repeat. Now let's make a smoother forward and back loop. Method 2 creates a smooth loop by mirroring the clip. Duplicate it so you have two copies back to back. Select the second clip and tap reverse to flip playback direction. Add a very short crossfade transition between the two clips to smooth the join. Preview playback to check for a seamless forward and back loop. Adjusting transition duration as needed. To make a longer loop, duplicate the mirrored pair or export and enable repeat in your player. That's it, 2 quick ways to loop in CapCut. Like, save, and try both methods. Closed captions are on.